So you're the so-called American who had a shootout with the Imperial soldier.
You should know more than that.
Quit your babbling. You've already caused me enough troubles.
Forget about that. It's nothing compared to what's coming.
What? I'll put out your tongue! Gods! Arrest the scoundrel at once!
Stay down. This is not your fight.
You fools! Does the American army feed your family? As I shall make an example to those Western savages, make him kneel before me now! Do you not know who I am? You're never gonna wait this!
I'll be fine, so don't worry about yourself. Cause today's your last day.
You're truly mad. How dare would an American soldier threaten a minister in Joseon?
Not by an American. You die in the hands of a Joseon man.
Who would dare to do so in this land?
My mother, who killed herself to run from you. My father was bludgeoned to death. A young slave who ran from this land. Like a sinner.
Suicide. Yo. Mercy. Please, mercy.
Please stop. It makes me want to kill you here. Your grave. It's not here.